Welcome once again to iTech, and thank you for choosing this video. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys, I'm going to give you some analysis and in-depth explanation on how you are not able to make money online, though you have been worked with different platforms, different websites claiming of making you getting money online, but still yet you are not getting anything yet. So I'm here to take you through some of the things that you are not doing right. That is why you are not making money online. If today is your first time watching my video, you're welcome once again. This is iTech, and don't forget to subscribe to this video, share, comment, and like, so that other people can also get the video to watch. So the first thing that I'll talk about is that you are not making money online because you have not yet started. Yes, most people are afraid. Most people don't think making money online is real, so they haven't even bothered to start working online. So one of the things is that you haven't started yet. Yes, you haven't taken the decision to start online job, to start online business. So that's why you are not making money online. The second thing is that most people have also started, they have worked in some of the platform and apps claiming of making them getting money online, but yet still they are not making anything. This happened because there are certain things that you didn't do that lead you into that. The first thing that I'll talk about is that maybe you didn't do your research well. Now, before you go to any platform or any website or any app that is claiming of getting you money, for you working there, you need to do a lot of research. You need to go to their review, check their reviews. You can come to YouTube here, go to social media, various social media platforms. These online making apps and websites have social media handles where you can go there and check their review, check their comment, what people are saying about this platform before you start working on this platform. Because if you just start, if you hear that this app pays people for performing some tasks here, watching video, and they are getting their money without you making a lot of research, that is a big mistake. So whenever you want to make money online from any of these platforms, make sure that you do a lot of research before you start. Then the other thing that I'll talk about is that you are making the wrong choice, you are making the wrong move, because there are other platforms which are very genuine way of making money online, but you are not working on this platform. There are certain platforms that's claiming that you'll be watching YouTube video and then you'll be getting money. Watching YouTube video alone cannot get you money, because you just watch videos like this just now, what you are watching now. You are watching my video now, so how are you going to get money from this video? This is not what the case is, because watching YouTube videos, you are going to sign up or create an account on certain website whereby they are claiming that you'll be watching a YouTube video and they'll pay you. And with this one, you'll be watching and liking some other people's video. You'll be watching over 100 videos and so on, and you'll be getting 0.001 and cents. So how long are you going to get $10 to hit their payout threshold? So upon this one, these websites have a higher threshold that is very difficult for you to get it, and their payout is very little, because you can watch over 500 videos and they will just give you a peanut. So these are some of the things that you're doing. That's why you are not making money online. So if you want to make money online, please, you have to make sure that you do your research well before you start making any move to work on any other platform or website that is claiming of making money online. If today is your first time watching my video, don't forget to smash the like button for YouTube algorithm to get this video to other people. See you. Bye.